Have you ever seen channels that kids absolutely love? These channels are packed with fun animations, catchy songs, and stories that kids and parents enjoy together. It's no surprise they get billions of views every month. And guess what? You can turn this into a money-making online business. Take this channel, for example. It makes up to $7 million a month from ads alone. A few years ago, creating videos like this would have required a big team and a lot of money. But today, AI tools make it easy and affordable for anyone to do. In fact, the video you're watching right now, it only took me a few minutes to create, and it didn't cost me a thing. Sounds amazing, right? Stick around, and I'll show you step by step how to create your own animated kids videos. Open ChatGPT and start by typing, "Write 10 titles for a kids rhyme suitable for children aged 4 to 6 years old." ChatGPT will provide you with a variety of creative and catchy title ideas. Each title will be designed to capture the playful and imaginative world of young children. Carefully go through the list and think about which title resonates most with the theme or idea you have in mind for your video. For instance, if you select Bouncy Bunny's Happy Hops, copy this title to use in the next step. Remember, the title sets the tone for the rhyme, so choose one that feels fun, relatable, and exciting for children. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "Write the rhyme for this title, Bouncy Bunny's Happy Hops." Ensure the rhyme is fun, engaging, easy to sing along, and features simple vocabulary, playful themes, and rhythmic patterns suitable for young children. ChatGPT will generate a complete rhyme based on the title you provided. The rhyme will be written in a way that's simple for children to understand and enjoy, with lots of playful words and rhythmic patterns. Take a moment to read through the rhyme. Make sure it flows well and feels entertaining. If needed, you can ask ChatGPT to adjust specific parts to suit your style or theme better. This step ensures you have high-quality, engaging lyrics that young children will love to hear and sing along with. Visit Sunno AI and sign up for an account. This platform allows you to convert your rhyme into professional audio quickly. After signing up, click on the custom option to create your unique audio file. Copy the rhyme lyrics you just created in ChatGPT and paste them into Sunno AI. Set the style of music to kids' rhymes. This ensures that the audio has a cheerful, playful tone suitable for children. Once you hit create, Sunno AI will process the lyrics and generate an audio file. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Listen to the generated audio files carefully. Choose the one that sounds the best to you in terms of melody, rhythm, and clarity. Once satisfied, download the preferred audio as an MP3 file and save it to your device. This audio will serve as the foundation for your video. Return to ChatGPT and type, "Create Mid-Journey image prompts for each passage of the rhyme described above." ChatGPT will break down the rhyme into its key passages or verses and create detailed image prompts for each. These prompts will describe vibrant, playful scenes that match the mood of the rhyme. Review the prompts carefully. Ensure each one aligns with the visuals you imagine for your video. If something feels off, you can ask ChatGPT to tweak the descriptions. These prompts will help create a cohesive visual story for your rhyme, making the final video more engaging and memorable for children. Head to Krea AI and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Generate section and click on Image. This is where you'll bring your rhyme scenes to life. On the image generation page, set the aspect ratio to match your desired video resolution, 16:9 for standard widescreen videos. This ensures the images fit perfectly in your video format. Copy the first verse prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Krea AI's Describe Picture field. Then, click Generate to create the image. Repeat this process for each verse of the rhyme. Each prompt will generate a unique, colorful image that visually represents the theme of that passage. Review all the generated images and download the ones that look the most vibrant, engaging, and visually appealing. Save them to your device for later use in your video. Go to videomaker.me and sign up for an account. Once registered, log in to access the platform's features. This tool will help you create a video using the images you generated earlier. Start by clicking on the image icon in the interface. Here, upload all the images you downloaded from Krea AI. Ensure you upload them in the order they correspond to the verses of your rhyme for a smooth storytelling experience. For each uploaded image, add the corresponding verse or line of the rhyme. This step will synchronize the visuals with the rhyme's lyrics. Click on the text option and paste the relevant line from the rhyme onto the image. Adjust the text size, color, and position to make it clear and visually appealing. Ensure the text doesn't cover important parts of the image. Go to the aspect ratio settings and set it to 16:9 or any other ratio you prefer for your platform. Example 9:16 for TikTok or Instagram Reels. This ensures your video fits the desired format perfectly. After ensuring everything looks good, hit the Generate button to create the final video. The platform will process your project and provide you with a downloadable file. Save the video to your device. This file will serve as the base for further editing in the next step using CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import the music file you downloaded from Sunno AI and all the clips you created using videomaker.me. Drag the audio to the timeline, then arrange the clips in sequence to match the lyrics. Adjust the duration of each clip to align perfectly with the song. If needed, use the text tool to add or edit lyrics on each clip, customizing fonts and styles to make them appealing for kids. Once everything looks good, preview the video to ensure the visuals, audio, and text are synchronized. Finally, export the video in your desired resolution and save it to your device, ready to share. Congratulations! Your fun and engaging kids rhyme video is now complete and ready to delight young audiences. With cheerful music, vibrant visuals, and captivating lyrics, your creation is perfect for sharing on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Remember, the effort you put into every detail, from writing catchy rhymes to syncing visuals and audio, creates an enjoyable experience for kids and parents alike. Keep creating, experimenting, and inspiring young minds. Now hit upload and share your masterpiece with the world.